All right, well, hi guys. We're back on the Reno site today, and the next day I'm fortunate enough to catch Andy, the waterproofer, doing his job here. Andy, how you going?
Not too bad, mate.
Awesome. Mate, what are you doing? You're throwing stuff there on the coat from yesterday.
Just sand seeding the top coat, only to get the adhesion of the tile adhesive onto the polyurethane, because polyurethanes aren't really the best material to stick to. The sand seeding will help the adhesion.
Cool. So I missed the words. What do you call it? Sand seeding? Is that what you called it?
This is kiln dried sand.
Yep.
So it's been 100% dried, kiln dried, to make sure it bonds into the solvent-based polyurethane.
Yep.
So we just spread it on the surface to increase the surface area. So then the actual tile adhesive that you place will have a lot to bond to.
Spoken like a real expert. Didn't understand half of what he said, but that's great. Mate, I'm just got a question about the waterproofing. So I noticed you come, I don't know, what would you call that, 10 centimetres up from the walls around the bottom. And also I noticed the shower goes all the way to the top. And what is the blue versus the grey?
Okay, so the grey is a full solvent-based polyurethane. It's a better quality membrane. It's really elastomeric. It'll cater for all the movement in the corners. The blue membrane on the shower walls, it's directly compatible with the tile adhesive, whereas the polyurethane isn't. So that's why we use that on the walls, just to get the good adhesion to the tile adhesive on the high-risk walls where the tiles can fall off.
I'll just show them the blue again. Okay, awesome. And today you're here to do a second coat, so it requires a second coat?
Second coat goes on, cover all the pinholes, build up the membrane thickness, get the film built, and then we can sand seed the top coat as we're doing now.
And then we're good to tile?
Good to tile.
Beautiful. All right, thanks Andy. So there you go, you've heard it from the technical guru himself. That's what's going on there with getting that bathroom ready to tile. Obviously that'll need a day or two to dry, but it's Friday right now, so Monday the tilers start, and things are moving along nice and rapid.